enjoying the day without being stressed. I didn't sleep last night. Stress, man. Cars are stress. Just hit a fucking flock of magpies. We've lost power and now it sounds like super impressor. Guys, I tried my best. But my best wasn't good enough. And that looked like part of the top of the old piston crown was missing. After the absolute biblical rain yesterday, I have decided Sunday players, let's have it. Because it'd be rude not to. But first stop, I've only got about 20 litres of fuel, so I'm going to brim her. I'm going to put another at least 10, 15 in her. And then on my way actually, I think. Let's go, boys! I'll tell you what, boys. This car just wants to party. It's not hot yet, so it needs to raise the limiter, but she just wants to absolutely party. Anyway, I'm a little bit behind, so this operation gets two players, relax, have a coffee, and try and enjoy the day without being stressed. I didn't sleep last night. This is what it takes, unfortunately. Stress, man. Cars are stress. And I actually don't know the way to Goodwood, even though I've been there so many times. But yeah, anyway, I'll check back in a minute. I really don't like stopping at junctions. First gear's a waste of time. That's not a caution. Just hit a fucking flock of magpies. I thought it took the front end off, but there was no change, so that's fucking random. They come right out the armhole, bosh, underneath, feathers everywhere. So there could be something going on, but at the moment, who knows? Anyway, I'll check back in a minute. She's fucking ripping. I'm just going to do the wind up. It's a little bit cold this morning. I mean, just... Woo-hoo-hoo! It's my favourite road. It's a Lord of the Rings shit.
12 seconds later.
Guys, we've lost power. We've lost power and now it sounds like super impressor. I don't know what its problem is. So listen to it. Sounds like Scooby. No idea what's wrong with it. Everything looks good. Sounds awful, man. Sounds absolutely awful. I'm going to just turn it off for a bit. Guys, I tried my best, but my best wasn't good enough. I don't know what's happened. I did hit, obviously I told you earlier, I hit a flock of magpies. Maybe that's hurt something underneath, maybe, I don't know. But it seems I've got a misfire that started at about 3.5 and then it came to 3 and then it's 2.5 and now just driving it sounds awful. So I'm basically just going to get it home and then turn around, come straight back down to Players. But I am literally on the roundabout on the joint of the A27. Anyway. More about that for a thumbnail. 7:30 Sunday morning. Broken down, Travis Perkins. Don't know what's wrong. No idea. Could be a coil pack. Could be a spark plug. Could be some wiring. Could be one of the magpies that I hit. Don't really fucking know. All of it is really irritating now because I just want to get to Players, but I've got to turn around. It's so frustrating. I'm missing a cylinder somewhere. I managed to clear the cylinders with the ECU, run it all over, pumped it all out. But I think with something ain't right. It's really hard to pull away, so I'm just going to get as close to home as possible so it's less drama, and then we'll see. I'll give you an update later, but I'm going to try and get home and then get back to players because it's only 8 AM. Just outside Horsham, can't believe it, we were doing so well. I've got literally no power and I cannot rev over 2.5, so I don't know. Prognosis is hopefully I've just got a coil pack that's died, but it seems a bit weird, doesn't it? That the coil pack would die. Anyway, I don't know, but on the way home, it is what it is. This is cars, man. I'm gutted. You know, it's. I really wanted the car to get to players, to turn up to players, but this is all I've got. 2,500 RPM, and I'm shit scared to turn it off because I don't think I'll get it started again. So I'm sort of coasting up to junctions and bits and pieces, so it is what it is. But I'm not going to say that. I was going to say luckily it's not our word, but no, I'm not doing that. Anyway, I'm going up to a roundabout. This thing's terrible, man. It's popping and banging, and I ain't doing no popple, crackle, whatever maps. That ain't happening. Popple, crackle, jackal. Terrible, man. This is terrible. Anyway, I'll pull it apart later. We'll have a little look, won't we? It's 9 AM. We got home. I'm in the garage. Fucking hell, that was stressful. Just got back from players, then I had a nap. It happens. I was up ridiculous last night. Got little protein shakes. I'm not eating nothing today because been here, there, and everywhere. So, got to figure out what's wrong with this. Should have a little look. It was a lovely day today, actually. Weather come out, it was nice, we're just hanging out. Bumped into a few people. If you said hello, that's wonderful. Well, it was lovely to say hello to you. It was lovely to have a chat. Today was the whole players' vibes situation. Everyone had a great time. It was nice. The weather behaved, the cars were cool, the music was actually good today. Yeah, it was cool. It was very cool. Really thoroughly enjoyed myself. So I'm going to grab my key and we're going to get into it and see what the damage is. Is it a coil pack? Is it a spark plug? Is it something to do with the magpies this morning? You know, if you fancy having a guess, whack it in the comments. If you don't, stay tuned. We will figure it out together. Let's just hope it's not expensive, please.
You serious?
Hey, fucking disgusting. Do you remember that little video years ago, early days of YouTube?
Does somebody not know how to flush a toilet after they've had a shit?
That's not me.
Well, it was fucking one of yous. Disgusting!
That has lived rent-free in my brain for about 15 years. Anyway, that's my life story. It's a magnetic spark plug remover. So you undo it, doesn't give you no bullshit, and then those rubber ones are dog shit. So let's pull it. Let's have a little look. You're in the spot. I'll just do that just in case. It's not going to be hot. Fuck man, it's a big old ratchet, isn't it? Don't think it needs to be that big. Don't think it needs to be that tight either. That's ridiculous. Sweet Jesus. I'm going to leave them plugged in. I'm going to take them out one at a time. This is a very, very handy little spice rack. So, doing my testing, 2 and 4 didn't spark when I was on the side of the road, but 1 and 3 did. Work that out. Oh, I thought that looked wet then. So, oh no. So 1 and 3 fired, 2 and 4 didn't. Good news is, yeah, it's sooty as arseholes, but the good news is the tip's still there. Worst case scenario would be it's de-tipped itself. No. So that's 4. Yeah, they're dirty, but I don't like it. So what I'm going to do is, in the order that they've come out, I'm going to put them back in their respective holders. I'm going to pull the laptop out and give them a little whirl. See if we can make them click. Click, 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 click. That's funny though, isn't it? That's funny. That's a bit weird. So my plan is, in the ECU, you can basically tell it, fire each coil. And that's what I'm going to do. And that's what I did this morning. And it wouldn't fire. I think it fired whatever I said earlier. I'm so tired. It fired 1 and 3, but not 2 and 4. I don't know. So look, you can see there. Yeah, they're dirty. say something rude then, but I'm not going to. I'm going to rise above it today. I'm a better person. And then that goes in number 3. I've got a T-Pain song stuck right in my head. I don't know where it's come from. Make sure you baby. And now we got the whole stadium in love like. Well, the tips haven't dropped off, so that's cool. So that should, in theory, make sure that I haven't got any problems. Although, I will check the balls in a second. Let's take you for a little ride. So what we're going to do is basically get into the laptop. The ECU's not connected. It's going to be connected. Right, coil 1. Let's test him. Coil 1. There's a very faint spark. You put it against the head. So once you ground the spark plug, I didn't think you had to do that with coils. Maybe you do. I don't know, it's been ages, isn't it? So that's number 1 working. Let's change number 2. Again, yeah, that's sparking. It's really, really weak though. I can't even show it. If I've got to do it, you've got to do it. So we're going to come all the way through it. Okay, that's 2. Lovely. Let's have a look at number 3. So it's weird that they're firing. Okay, he's definitely firing. You hear that? It's interfering with the throttle body, which is mental. Why is it doing that? 4, it's definitely not having it. Jesus fuck. I was trying to work around it. Okay. I don't understand. Something weird's going on there. I know they've got loads of power in them. So, regardless of what's happening, I am going to put new plugs in it because I've got new plugs. I'm going to check the gap on them, and I'm going to gap the new ones the same. I'll put them in. But it's very odd. Cool, let's kill this because it's well annoying. Check the spark plugs, we'll gap them the same. Maybe this is my fault. Maybe this is because I didn't change spark plugs after dyno session. Maybe the iridium plugs are just giving up. I don't know, food for thought. Anyway, I'll bring them all over. I didn't like the fact that the voltage seems to be dropping, didn't it? Don't know why that would be the case. Put a bore scope down it. Yeah, fuck it, let's do it. Got to check, got to find my bore scope now. When I say bore scope, what I mean is this Chinesium example. I don't ever remember charging it. It always comes on. She's got a little sexy light with her. It's decent. So I'm going to just turn you around. Give you some of that. I'm going to quickly check the balls, because what's the point of gapping plugs and all that stuff if actually something a little more untoward. Gang, I absolutely just shit a brick. I'll show you what I see. It's really, really hard with this because this is pretty janky. Right, so what I saw was that, and that looked like part of the top of the old piston crown was missing. But actually when I spin it around, it's just shitloads of fuel, which is not ideal either. But yep, that's just fuel-y. So it says to me that one is not firing. I was like, oh no, but I definitely would have heard that. Basically what I'm doing is just doing that and then spinning the camera around. That looks really wet. Like 3 is not firing, and 4, Jesus Christ, that's the piston that's not been running, look. So for whatever reason, that's probably telling me it's running out of battery. That is telling me big time, that piston's not been firing. So I think we've just run out, for the first time ever, we've run out of battery. I had a little worry then that the old cams had moved. That's weird, that's really, really weird. So 4 is why it sounded like an Impreza. I've got nothing against the Impreza, but I don't like the way they sound, and I didn't build my Zetec to sound like one. And I think this is something to do with it. but also as well the fact that, yeah, I mean, they could be really, really dirty. They could just be, the iridium's gone, they're shit now. I don't really know. I don't really know anything about spark plugs, other than I've been told that on over 400 horsepower Zetecs, you want ITV 27s. So that's what I'm going to do, and that's what I have done. So I appreciate every single one of you viewing the series. It's wonderful. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll do it again next year if it's, you know, something people like. I've got a few ideas, a few different things for next year. I've been chatting to some people on the run up to players to do some like pre-bits. Should be cool. But until then, I hope you had a great time. I had a great time. Thanks for coming and saying hello to me. If you saw me out and about, you know, don't be scared to come and say hello when we're out and about. I know one of you was, and you were sending me stalky pictures. I'll see it. I'll see you. Just come and say hello. Do you know what I mean? It's great. We're in this together. This is not a me thing. This is an us thing. So thank you very much. I appreciate it. And the next video, we'll probably be getting this old pig running again, because I want to really start using this all the time. But next video, we're going to get her running. Definitely. And some blasting videos. Some drive-by, some cool shit. And then it's time to open Karen up. Have a little look at her. See what's going on. Build a table outside. I'm going to order a race tent or something. So I've got a garage extension, and then I can start doing all my fab work outside. And I'll use probably the back of the T5 as like a bit of storage and shit. So anyway, that's the plan. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not going to say that subscribe bullshit, because if you like it, you'll do it, won't you? But if you don't like it, don't bother about it. It's cool, man. It's all cool. It was great. I had a great time. Thank you very much. I'm going on holiday now because I'm really tired. I didn't sleep much. But I hope this was a enjoyable video. And if not, I'll make the next one better. I've had too many coffees and not enough sleep. Bye!
Tiny little slutty skirt. I like to hit it hard every time my heart hurts.
What the fuck is this?
What is this?
Hurry up.
Oh, track off.